I started my natural hair journey in September of 2025 because my relaxed hair was badly damaged, so I needed to start afresh. It's still early though, but I think we are making progress. And today I want to show you one of the natural oils I use on my hair. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you and your loved ones. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a powerful potent Ayurvedic hair oil that is perfect for promoting hair growth, reducing breakage and lock in moisture. Stay tuned guys. So to prepare this, we are going to be needing cloves seed, hibiscus flower, rosemary leaves, and fenugreek seed. You can use your blender to crush this into powdered form. For me, I'm using my mortar and pestle, so there is no excuse of not making this oil. Okay, if you don't have blender, use your mortar and pestle because you can see I've gotten that powdered form. So for my carrier oil, I'm using shea butter. You can use any oil of your choice, be it almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, sunflower seed oil. They are all good, okay? Anyone that works for your hair, go for it. So I make use of 4 tablespoons of unscented raw pure shea butter. I use the double boiler method to extract the nutrients. This method prevents burning of the herbs and also preserve their natural benefit, like the nutrients will be intact. So this method is the best method, double boiler method. Cook this for about 10 minutes and turn off the heat and let it cool down a bit, not completely cool. Let it cool down a bit, then you go ahead to strain it. Let's go apply it on our hair. I usually add moisture to my hair before going in with the oil. I'm applying this on a neatly washed hair. I washed my hair a night before making this video, so my hair is super neat. Let's see what next we have got. Previously, we were here at my eyebrow, so let's see if we pass the eyebrow and let's know where we are now. Oh my god! I see what we got. Hair growth is a journey. Enjoy the process. If you stay consistent and treat your scalp with care, you will definitely see results. Please subscribe to my channel and do well to like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.